Hello everyone, myself Rakhi. I am representing group number 27 mentored by Rahul Dabir sir. Our attribute of environmentalism is elementalization and form of expression is human powered simple machine. Human powered simple machines. Human itself is a machine. It has power and force to move back and fro. There are many types of simple machines which are easily accessible by humans like knives, scissors, screwdrivers, bicycles. When we started to think about the human powered simple machines, here are some words like physical, easy, force, it will be less mechanical, the brain powered part, the simple products that we usually see in market like mob, bicycle, knives, etc. So our initial design started with the products which are already available in the market, and we tried evaluating it in a different way. So here in Mob we tried to give a water container so that it will be a bucket free mop. Then thinking about some general things and human needs which we daily use in our lives. So considering the mixed pocket holder, which is going to be a different type of pen combination, then thinking about the shoe rack, the mobile, and the platforms like the loft part, the kitchen platform area. So after discussing the initial ideas with our mentor, we came up with the product mop and we started working on it. So we first studied different types of mops that are available in the market. All these mops with different materials and different working capacity. Also, we studied the advantages and disadvantages of the mopping, where advantages like wet and dry mopping, the heads were removable, it was easy to clean, and also there were reusable threads and clothes used. Also, there was some problem related to the dirt which is left in the bucket. Also, the more water consumption, the sponge and the thread, where the sponge gets more heavier when it get wet. Also the non-biodegradable plastic which is generally used, and due to the water the weight of the bucket. This was some things which we have considered and worked on. So this was the first proposed design, mob again, which had a handle, a water container inside it, a movable lid which will help the water to flow down to the threads. So it will be less water consumption. Also, it will be bucket free. Again, the thread will be washable and the head is also removable. Earlier, when we were thinking, we thought about the mop which is generally available in the market and we tried evaluating it. So now here we came up with a different concept where our aim is to make this activity interesting and considering the traditional methods of cleaning, because the purpose of having a mop in a house is cleaning. So we try to figure out the advantages, disadvantages, the use, and everything. So we came up with a different solution which will contain traditional methods, and also it will benefit the human body as it will reduce the body pain which generally happens while cleaning. Here we tried studying the methods of cleaning of floor. So all the liquids that are used, all the chemicals and all the tools that are used, like from broom to for dry mopping and for wet mopping both. So here we saw different activities which generally happen in a house if there are kids, if there are old age people. Also, we considered a wheel because it is easily working tool. It you does not need to apply much of force, and a different age group can use it easily. So then we came up with different ideas with different postures, like in the first image where we can see there is a cycle kind of thing, and we have a thread below so that it will clean the floor. So next we have a cycle kind of thing, cycle kind of product, which will again have the mop below it, and it will clean everything. So different, using different postures, we got some ideas. Now this is the final design which we have proposed. So here are two different wet mopping and dry mopping part. So for the wet mopping, we have brooming, then the roller brooming and dust box. So broom will be a broom which will clean your area. Then rolling broom, it will collect all the dirt inside, and the dust box will collect all the dirt. Above it, we have a lid. When we open the lid, we can clean that dirt box. For same for the wet mopping, we have given a water pocket, so that when we want to do wet mopping, we'll fill the water in the pocket. Here we will also try to consume less water. So there is a pipe through wet pocket which will go towards the threads below, which is available here, the mop threads, and then it will clean the wet mopping part. So in this way, we have designed for both wet and dry, where it is easily accessible. Considering the wheel part, the rolling mop will is an abstract form for the same. Talking about the elementalization of the same, the brushes are replaceable. If one of the brush gets more dirtier, then we can remove it and we can change it. Also, the broom and the mop part is replaceable. Whenever we want to use mop, we can use that mop, and we can also change it to the broom. Also, the box and handle are unchangeable part, it will be fixed. But other than this, if any of the part gets damaged or anything, then we can change it. Talking about the material, eco-friendly materials are used, like thermoplastic sheets and the yarn threads. Also the sticks for the brooms are eco-friendly.